remove the human picture and go with the quality and ask them to describe the quality more and more. The more the human quality stays, the more the emotional attachment stays. Then whether it is brother figure, father figure, husband figure, wife figure, mother figure, whatever it is, remove that mother, father, brother, sister, anybody. Remove that thing. And go into companion as in, together as in, help as in, support as in. Describe this support a little bit, just that support. No, my father, no, not your father, just this word support. So there will be a few seconds or few minute tussle where he is not able to leave that father word or brother word or something. Quickly there you have to say, no, 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 not brother, not father, just this support. I did not understand the word support. फादर तो समझ सकते हैं, हम सब समझते हैं, लेकिन सपोर्ट नहीं समझे, ये कभी सुना नहीं. इसके लिए मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ. Are you getting? This is like dissociating the human content and getting into the qualities of that representative human, which this vital force is looking. But the vital force is looking at the quality. Are you all there? The vital force of this patient eye is looking at the quality, and the mind is looking at the relation. Because by mind, by conscious, I know this is the father, this is the mother, this is the brother, this is the sister. I've been told. Therefore, mind knows the relation. But the vital force is seeing the quality. Therefore, what are we trying to do? We are trying to remove the mind. In other words, what are we trying to do? We are removing the conscious. And that conscious representative is who? The father, the mother, the brother, the sister, the uncle, everything. So when we are removing that, we are removing mind, we are removing conscious. And therefore, we are taking a giant leap now into the subconscious through the qualities of that particular relation. And that is the time when the person doesn't know, because you have removed this only out. And that is the time when sensation of the remedy, the uniqueness of the person comes into picture. Are you all getting? This is the beauty. What is happening at this point of time, we should know. Why to remove the relation out, we should know. The relation is coming from where, we should know. The conscious mind. हमको बोला जाता है ना, ये तुम्हारा बाप है, तुम्हारा माँ है, ये तुम्हारा भाई है, तुम्हारा बहन है. तो जब बोली भाषा है तो हमारे दिमाग से हम सोचते हैं हाँ भैया है, हाँ पिताजी है. लेकिन अंतर्मन क्या देख रहा है, उसका क्वालिटी देख रहा है. तो अंतर्मन क्वालिटी देख रहा है, इसका मतलब क्या देख रहा है? इसका मतलब वो अपना खुद का पैटर्न देख रहा है उसके अंदर. दैट सपोर्ट इन व्हाट वे, द कंपेनियन इन व्हाट वे. Right? That makes all the difference. This is the place where your final path of destination is chosen. This is the place where your final path of destination is chosen, because you are now separating the conscious mind with that of the subconscious vital forces experience. This is the place where now he is standing at the cross point of these two. And how much we will believe in ourselves in making this person to leave the conscious mind and get into the vital forces, this thing is our this thing. This is the point when you should not be shuffling here and there. अब अगर आप shuffle किया तो खत्म. Because at this point of time, it is like as good as you have put all the ingredients to prepare the biryani. Now don't keep on opening the lid and seeing whether it's done or not seeing. वो पूरा उसका fragrance ही चले जाएगा. Right?